What if you could get a compact GPS drone with a built-in screen remote, brushless motors, smart follow, obstacle avoidance, and more than 20 minutes of claimed flight time? Sounds impressive, right? But there's one important detail you need to know before buying this drone. Because the G400 is advertised with a 4K dual camera, while the detailed specifications tell a slightly different story. Hey everyone, welcome back to Carry Guy. Today, we're taking a closer look at the G400 GPS drone, a foldable aerial photography drone that comes with a 4.5-inch screen remote, brushless motors, Wi-Fi FPV, optical flow positioning, trajectory flight, gesture controls, obstacle avoidance, and a claimed flight time of around 21 minutes. So, is this an affordable, feature-packed drone worth considering? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the design. The G400 has a compact, foldable body, finished in gray. According to the supplied specifications, it measures approximately 14.5 by 11 by 7.2 centimeters when folded, making it easier to carry in a backpack. Open the arms, and it expands to around 30 by 30 centimeters. The drone itself is listed at approximately 230 grams, which makes it relatively lightweight. However, remember that drone registration and flight rules depend on your country and local regulations, so always check the rules before flying. One of the biggest highlights here is definitely the 4.5-inch screen remote controller. Instead of relying completely on your smartphone to see the camera view, the remote includes its own display. That can make setup more convenient and gives the G400 a more self-contained flying experience. Now let's move on to the motors. The G400 is equipped with 1504 brushless motors. Compared with basic brushed motors commonly found on cheaper toy drones, brushless motors are generally designed for better efficiency, smoother performance, and a longer operating life. That's an important upgrade if you're looking for something beyond a basic beginner drone. Of course, real-world flight performance can still depend heavily on wind, battery condition, pilot skill, and environmental conditions. But on paper, the brushless motor setup is definitely one of the more attractive features of the G400. Powering the drone is a 3.7-volt, 2700 milliamp-hour battery. The advertised flight time is approximately 21 minutes per battery, while charging is listed at around 120 minutes. As always, treat that maximum flight time as an ideal condition claim. In real-world flying, factors like wind, aggressive flying, recording video, and battery age can reduce the actual time you spend in the air. The good news is that buyers can choose package options with 1, 2, or 3 batteries. And honestly, if you plan to fly regularly, choosing extra batteries could make a big difference, because waiting around 2 hours to recharge after every flight isn't much fun. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this is where you should pay close attention. The G400 is marketed with a 4K dual camera description. However, according to the detailed specifications provided with the product information, the listed image transmission resolution is HD 720p wide angle. So, I would strongly recommend checking the exact version and seller specifications before purchasing, and not assuming that the drone delivers true 4K video simply because 4K appears in the product title. The front camera has a lens angle that can be electronically adjusted up to 90 degrees using the remote control. There is also a bottom camera associated with optical flow positioning, which is designed to help the drone maintain its position more effectively, especially when GPS conditions are limited. The drone also supports Wi-Fi FPV transmission. The supplied specifications claim an image transmission distance of approximately 200 meters, while the remote control range is listed at around 300 meters. Keep in mind that actual range can vary significantly depending on interference, obstacles, weather, local radio conditions, and regulations, and always maintain safe visual awareness while flying. The G400 is designed as a GPS aerial photography drone, and that opens the door to several intelligent flight features. One of them is Smart Follow. The idea is simple. Select the subject, and the drone attempts to follow it automatically. This can be useful for outdoor activities, walking shots, or creating hands-free aerial footage. Another feature is trajectory flight. Using the companion app, you can draw a route or flight path, and the drone is designed to follow that planned direction. This can be a fun feature for creating smoother and more repeatable aerial movements. The G400 also supports app control, headless mode, and standard flight functions, including ascending, descending, forward, backward, and side flight. And for easier photo capture, there is also gesture shooting. Just remember, features such as smart follow, gesture control, and autonomous flight modes can be affected by lighting, GPS reception, app performance, and the surrounding environment. Another useful feature is optical flow positioning. The bottom-facing camera helps the drone detect visual patterns on the ground, which can assist with hovering and position stability. This can be particularly useful when conditions are suitable. However, optical flow is not magic. It may perform poorly over reflective surfaces, water, very dark ground, or surfaces with very little visible texture. So, for the best results, fly over a surface with enough visual detail and in suitable lighting conditions. And now, one of the most heavily advertised features? Obstacle avoidance. The G400 comes with an obstacle avoidance head designed to detect objects and stop or react before a collision. But here's my advice. Never treat obstacle avoidance as a guarantee that the drone cannot crash. Budget drone obstacle sensors may have limitations with thin branches, wires, glass, dark surfaces, small objects, poor lighting, or objects approaching from directions outside the sensor's effective coverage. So think of obstacle avoidance as an extra layer of assistance, not a replacement for careful piloting. Depending on the package option, the G400 package includes the G400 Drone, a remote controller with a 4.5-inch screen, 1, 2, or 3 2700 mAh batteries, depending on the version you choose, USB charging cables, spare propellers, a screwdriver, instruction manuals, an app instruction manual, a card reader, and a 4 GB memory card. That means you get a fairly complete starter package, especially compared with drones that require you to purchase storage accessories separately. So, who should consider the G400? This drone may be interesting for beginners and casual users who want a combination of GPS functionality, a screen-equipped remote, brushless motors, a foldable design, optical flow positioning, smart flight modes, and a claimed flight time of around 21 minutes. But if your main priority is professional-grade camera quality, long-distance transmission, or highly reliable obstacle avoidance, you should carefully compare the G400 with more established camera drones. And once again, make sure you verify the exact camera resolution of the version you're buying. The product title may say 4K, but the supply detailed specification lists 720p HD image transmission. Overall, the G400 looks like an interesting, feature-packed budget drone. The combination of a 4.5-inch screen remote, GPS capability, brushless motors, a 2700 mAh battery, optical flow positioning, smart follow, trajectory flight, and a foldable design gives it plenty of features to explore. The biggest question mark is the camera specification. So before clicking that buy button, carefully check the exact seller description and version you're ordering. If the features work as advertised and your expectations are realistic, the G400 could be a fun option for casual aerial photography and recreational flying. But don't buy it expecting professional 4K cinematic footage simply based on the product title. And that's the honest way to look at it. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Caring Guy, and turn on the notification bell for more honest reviews of the latest drones, gadgets, electric vehicles, and cool technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Caring Guy signing out.